Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will show you how to make a moon dreamcatcher. I'll be using cotton threads. You too make sure you're using the kind that doesn't stretch. As for the base, I have this circle from Embroidery Hoop. If you want to see other options to make the base, check out my video about dreamcatchers. I'll leave the link in the description. The easiest way is to shape a ring from any flexible twig and let it dry for a few days. I make a small ball of thread. It will be more convenient to work this way. And the first thing, I weave it around the base. If you're using a ring made of twigs, you can skip this part. I attach the thread. This tail I've decided to hide under. I just keep weaving around the circle, moving each new loop closer to the previous one. And I'm done in just a couple of minutes. I fixed the end with a drop of glue. If you didn't hide the first end of the thread under the weaving, here you can just tie a knot using both ends. The base is ready. Now let's move on to the dreamcatcher. The moon I'm going to make will take a bit more than half a circle. I'll start from here. Attach the thread and then make the move you already know by weaving regular dreamcatchers. Place the working thread above the main and run the ball through the loop. My circle is 20 centimeters in diameter, so here I took a step of 4 centimeters. Keep it in place with the fingers of your other hand and proceed to the next step. It's quite easy, isn't it? Try to make sure that these sections are of the same length. Secure the previous step in place with the help of your fingers and make the next one. Keep repeating this move until you find yourself at the second top of the moon. Here I've made the last but one step, and here comes the last one. Now let's fix the thread in place. Repeat exactly the same move again and move the knot as close as you can to the previous one. And then tighten it. The thread is not running away, so you can relax for now. In the classic dreamcatcher, we would just keep repeating the same move till the end. In the moon version, turn around the base and start moving in the opposite direction. Now let's weave under these edges we've just made. The move is like this. Run the working thread through this hole. Here's what you get. And then throw it into the appearing loop. And tighten. This move is similar to the one we were doing in the previous row, only now I'm running the thread from the bottom up and not from the top. In this case, it's more convenient. Let me show you closer. Move the thread a little closer to this spot. Once you tighten the thread for the next step, it will move right to the middle. Keep on doing this until the end of our future moon. Here's the last edges, And we fix the thread again on the base, repeating the move you already know. 1. Move the knot closer to the top. And once again, 2. The row is finished, the thread is fixed. Turn the Dreamcatcher over once again. Now we'll be weaving around these edges. The moves are all the same. I will not explain them again. I hope you already got it. You can only start having problems once you get to the top. I'm making the last but one step in this row and then fix the thread onto the base in 2 moves we already know, as close as possible to the top. Turn the Dreamcatcher over. My thread seems to be going a bit crazy, so I put it back in order and keep going. Under these ribs now. Fast forward to the end of the row. The next edge is kind of merging with the previous one, but you really have to run the thread under it. Now fix it onto the base. If this is too fast for you, you can set a slower speed at the bottom of the screen. It's starting to look like a moon now. I turn around and make a few more rows. In the next one, run the thread under these ribs. I've come to the end and fix the thread onto the base. Looks cool, doesn't it? Turn around and run under these edges. This way, keep weaving the moon Dreamcatcher until you're happy with the way it looks. Be careful with such rows and don't forget to run under this edge and fix it onto the base. I guess that's enough for me. I cut off the thread and tie one more knot under the nearest edge. And fix the end with a drop of glue. This is what I've got. I make a loop for hanging on top. I fold a piece of thread in half and run it around the base. Run the edges through the loop and tighten it. Just the same way, I'm making some tassel at the bottom. It's really coming out great. I've decided to cut the tassel like this. Subscribe to my channel and watch other cool videos.